Just look at this sweet plantain, juicy gizzard, and vibrant veggies. This is Gizdodo like you have never had it before. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Food by Blessing. Today we are making a spicy, colorful twist Gizdodo. Yes, we are adding some crunchy vegetable to level it up. So guys, I started by washing my plantain. I washed it very well, a good wash. Then I'm going to take off the back. You know why it's good to wash your plantain? Because of what it has been exposed to. Then you can start dicing your plantain to your preferred size and style. You're going to add a pinch of salt to it, then flip it over for a good mix. Once you're done, you're going to fry your plantain in a very hot oil until they are golden brown. Next, you have to wash your gizzard very well. If you have been following me in my other videos, you know that I'm used to washing my protein with salt. Once you are done washing your gizzard, what you need to do is to dice your gizzard to your preferred size. Once you're done dicing, into your pot, you're going to add your gizzard, your garlic, your onions, and some spices to cook very well to the texture you want. For that, you're going to fry it for that deep, rich flavor. This is where the magic begins. Now, all I need to do is to dice all my veggies accordingly. So, guys, let's go. Now for the twist veggies. Toss in your onions as well as your carrot, your sweet corn, your yellow bell pepper, then go in with your green bell pepper and as well as your red bell pepper. You're going to give it a good mix while it cooks. Now I'm going to go in with some seasoning cube and some pinch of salt. In a separate pan, I'm going to go in with my onions. Then I'm going in with my tomatoes and fresh pepper. You can also blend it as well. But me, I decided right now, I'm going in with my eggs to give it additional flavor. A yummy and that juiciest flavor. Now we're going to bring everything together. You're adding your gizzard to your veggie, your mixed veggie. I'm adding in my plantain to my veggies. You're going to give it a very good mix. It has to steam together. You can see how colorful, how pretty this Gizdodo is looking. Then I introduced my pepper mix socks or my egg socks. I don't know what you want to call it. I introduced it, and guys, I'm so loving this meal. I have to cover it for like 2 minutes. Then I give it a good stir again. Now, and guys, I'm going to go in with my spring onions for more colorful meal. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment so that you can see more of my magic. Don't forget to subscribe to